If you're buying this, and that too, just to clean everything, you're in trouble. Not only is it pricey, but many of the products contain harsh chemicals and aren't nearly effective enough. So let's get rid of all that. That's why there's Powerizer Complete, an all-in-one solution that replaces up to $118 worth of cleaning products. For laundry, it's a detergent, color booster, softener, stain remover, and machine cleaner. When you use it for your dishes, it's your detergent, rinse aid, and machine cleaner. It has over 5 different uses in your bathroom. But Powerizer can really be applied to any room, for all types of floors, surfaces, and even small appliances. And with no lingering scents or residue, it's perfect for sensitive skin. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and say hello to a high-efficiency, septic-safe, natural, biodegradable solution. Simplify your cleaning and save with Powerizer. Order today.